galaw niya. Nakawit siya pang mula sa unahan na ano. May makakakuha ng nice view. Ayan, bawi na lang. Sa mga page na lang. Sana mo ka.
Labo talaga ng katawan ni Maloy. Yes! My God! Sabi mo, hindi kasi sinaw. Ay!
Guys, thank you so much for coming here tonight. This is our second stop for our Believers Road Tour. And we have
Oh,
here
yeah.
our first one back
Naku naman.
Philippine Arena. And we are so happy to be here. Sa lahat ng mga kababayan namin!
Hi!
Some of you guys have missed home. And we are here because we want to give you happiness, joy, and most importantly, the feeling of home. Kaya our request for tonight, sana, until the end of the show, we are all just gonna do nothing but enjoy!
Yes!
But before we move forward, I think we have to introduce ourselves. 2, 3, mabuhay! Hello, Dubai! I'm Hi everyone, I'm Hi Juice, I'm Colette. What's up, Dubai? Stacy. Dubai, I'm Sheila. Dubai, I'm Guan.
Ano ito, di ba?
I miss you, Dubai, it's Nico. What's up, it's Joanna. And we are Grabe, looks mo lang nila ang Dubai will always have a special place in our hearts kasi if looks na kayo or hindi niyo pa alam mga late bloomer kayo, ang first ever live performance talaga namin as
Dubai.
Mimi was in Dubai back in 2021. It was for One MX Dubai. Do you guys know that? Alam niyo ba yun? Hindi na nakapunta. Di ba kita tayo kilala nun? Wala pa. Hindi pa kami kilala. Di na nag-guess si Pam Dini nun. Pero way back 2021, grabe, super experience siya for us. First time namin mag-perform and we're so happy to be back here after 4 years with all our clothes here. Thank you so much, Nasaan si ano? Sino gusto mag-share? Sa ako na meron kayo sa Dubai? First time namin pumunta sa Burj Khalifa. Pero hindi pa yun yung pinakamataas na naakyat namin. Pero yung feeling niya, parang yun yung pinakatuktok. Ang saya kasi syempre, nakita lang natin yun sa mga magazines. Pero super saya sa taas. Ba't na hindi tayo kumakyan sa tuktok, no? May ganap pa tayo. May ganap pa. Ako naman, yung na-miss ko, yung Dubai Expo! Yeah! Hindi ako nakasama sa girls niya. Kasi nabagay yung mata ko. Ay, oo na. Ay, affection mo yun. Yes, oo. Tapos si ate ayaw nagtanggal ng makeup ko kasi namamangga na yung eyes. Sino pa? Ate, ano yung ito? Ako, na-miss. Ay, pumunta kami sa girls trip. Tapos nanood kami ng mga nag-dolly dancing. Tapos naman ako para dancing. Tapos nag-try kami mag-henna tattoo. So, memorable. Doon din ako first time nakatry ng legit na shawarma talaga. Legit. Kaya ako ulit. Ako yung ano sabihin mo, yung ATV Mamaya naman yan. Yes. Sana makulit natin kung may free time tayo. Hindi. Maulit natin. Sana makagala pa tayo. Yes.
Tsaka imagine, nagpunta tayo dito ng pandemic. Tapos who would have thought na makakabalik tayo at mabibigyan ulit tayo ng opportunity mag-perform dito ngayon? Yes, and alam niyo yun, yung parang after 4 years, makakabalik tayo and sarili na natin show. World tour, own concert. Grabe, iba talaga bumulaw si Lord. Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord. And,
And for our next song, actually, it's kind of been a while since we last performed it. And for our next songs, our message to you guys.
Ganda ni Maloy.
We share with you our music and we have lots of surprises for you. And these next songs are for all those people who have self-doubts, thinking you are not worth it, and feel the pressure in everyday life. And we just want to say that nothing can hold you back because life is not a race. And always
siya eh.
Seryoso nanonood. Oh my God! Galing ni Sheena. Saka ni Maloy.
Ang cute ni Maloy sa tahan eh.
Kaya nga. Ganda ni Maloy sa gitna.
Ha?
Ang ganda ni Maloy sa gitna.
Kaya sa gitna madalas.
Nangyari lahat ng ito na magalit na kakagalapan kami pabagsak na sa lupa ito muna tayo para
Ganda mo, Maloy. Si Maloy. Oh my God.
Nahihirapan dapat sabihin kaya tayo sa pinigin ko kaya tayo sa break baby if you feel things the love is not first and foremost so let's start all the nights and leave it like it to admit but I'm broken to fix this fire balancing on this tightrope I'm bound to fall from the sky
Oh, Maloy.
First before this all breaks inside all the lost to leave.